Another video yet? That'll work.
That'll work. Maybe we'll stay up too late because Peachy went to sleep. So we're not being worried about what's gonna happen to him. Well, he is not in a good mood right now. He's still, you know,
What?
nothing.
Good. For once.
Well, that was weird. That is weird. Trust me, it didn't go well. We did it win. Yeah, we did it win.
That's only for me, Robbie.
Yeah, of course, your boy Sonic is here in this location. Sometimes we don't have new guesses tonight. Wait, new guesses already? Trust me. The last time we
Stop the did someone call?
Oh! SpongeBob, what are you doing here?
I came here for something else.
You sure are waiting.
Yeah, I know. It's just I'm gonna tell you the fun fact. Well, I'm not telling you the fact.
What is the fact, SpongeBob?
May I be as a main guest for each video, please?
Fine.
Thank you. Where should I go?
Right here, I guess?
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. So fucking shy. I'm fucking sorry, that. No offense, but yes. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Sorry, I have to. Speak for yourself, motherfucker. Now then. This introduction. We have... Yes?
5 guesses. Oh wait. Sorry for this fact. This was a request for your partner, so like. Wait, it was?
Yeah, what?
Huh. Second time in a row, right?
Yeah, second time in a row. Jesus Christ.
Oh, that was interesting.
Yeah, that is interesting.
Because she requests the king, which is you're not the king. Shut the fuck up. Anyway, to bring Renee Roberts with us right now because I don't know. King Kennedy almost really close to say that there is an Ashley Renee, and it never gonna happen. But it is going to happen either next week or either next year or whatever the bullshit kind of way it is.
Yeah, he almost said that I have an Ashley cell, but no. Not that much, but still.
And we had to bring Vegeta along.
Yes, so we have to bring. I was gonna say that.
Hold on, stop the music. I recognize that turtle. Guess what? I changed my mind. Guess what? I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Bowser!
What?
I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Piece of shit!
Yes, ma'am.
That should teach him a lesson. No Bowser for today, y'all, because he's bullshitting. You're the most bullshit. You're the most bullshit here, Bowser. Now shut up. Anyway, about that big ass fight that it's been going on. We bought Rick up early for the ride. Yeah, no matter what, we're still here for you, baby, no matter what. Keep up with the good work. From us, Team Star Plus. Anyway. Ooh, this will be interesting. What's SpongeBob? We had to bring her. SpongeBob.
I know what you before into SpongeBob.
Stop the music. Well, why?
Listen. My Ice Self and I making canon. And now over here, you try to make a joke out of it, right?
No.
That's what I thought.
Let me handle this. And by the way, you are new guest. They are pulling the portal, Jesus Christ. Funny, I told you to not bring the portal.
Look. I'm sorry, okay? I am fucking sorry, okay? Okay? Don't worry. guys. What do you mean here?
I think that's all of it. I believe that's it. That's all of it. Oh! Hey! Who dropped it here?
You forgot something?
Oh, great. Oh, great. It's Hitoshi. Oh, great. Hitoshi's here.
Him? Of all people?
Listen, Hitoshi, we're not in a good mood for you, pal. Well, I'm not in a good mood for you.
Speak for yourself, motherfucker.
You can tell that I'm a goddess here. A god here, right? No, I'm the pure one. Well, you can say to yourself that I'm the principal science, not the stupid dinosaur guy. Okay? Because I'm the king.
We kicked you out, that's what. We kicked you out, that's what.
That's why I hate you guys so much.
Oh, it's because you... Are you jealous about your losing team in Mario Kart Tour?
Fuck you.
That's what I thought, loser.
Anyway, Hitoshi's here. What are you doing here?
Came here to chill.
Chill? But you kill people!
I know. I barely killed people, but listen, it's long story short.
Long story short, eh? I think you have a sick mind or something.
What?
Nothing.
Good.
Anyway, about the Hitoshi appearance, Jesus Christ. We are never seen this movie for like... How long is it now?
Maybe it's like 1 year now that we never heard of this.
Isn't that a Disney movie? Wait. Isn't that a Disney movie?
I don't know, let me check. I don't know, let me check. I think it's a 20th Century Fox movie.
Oh, so it's not DreamWorks.
Nope, it's not.
So it's not DreamWorks.
It's not. And it's not a Disney movie. It's a 20th Century Fox movie.
Oh. What's the name of the movie?
FernGully?
I think it is. I think that is. It says the last Rainforest. Oh god, don't remind me of the Rainforest from Dora the Explorer. I don't give a shit about her.
Yeah, me too.
But
It all made sense that we should get along. Mamma mia.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Should I get along?
I don't know. Let's see.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Ooh! I see that this movie was launched in 2005. Peachy's birthday year. Peachy's birth.
Oh, Peachy's birth. Okay, I see. The reason why that movie was released in that year. Which one is it? April?
I believe it is. Before YouTube was a thing.
Oh yeah, YouTube. Before YouTube was a thing.
Yep. Speaking of YouTube, we never made YouTube video. I wonder if we made YouTube videos in 2009 or 2005. I don't know.
But SpongeBob, time has passed.
Oh, time has passed. Oh, okay. I see how it is. This is confusing. We never saw this movie like a while now.
Yeah, it's been like a year now. Like, listen, guys, listen. We never saw this for like a day. We should watch some clips and that's it. And we should get the hang of it.
Yeah. But after this.
After this.
Yeah. So now, when I heard it has nothing from 3 minutes of this movie. Just click places. By the way, the animations look like the Little Mermaid-ish, or Mulan-ish, or Pocahontas, or any other Disney films from the late 90s. I can see that. Did I get to mention that this is Tinkerbell-ish? Really? Yeah. I am not joking. You son of a bitch. What did you say? Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
Wow, SpongeBob, you get the hang of it.
I'm not.
That's what I thought.
Hey, speaking of it, Hitoshi, where's your fucking ass? Hey, speaking of it, hey Hitoshi, may I ask you this?
What?
How's your bitch?
What? I will murder you, SpongeBob.
Ha 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 ha. Suck it, idiot.
Say that to Bowser.
Oh yeah. You're nothing. We can't show on screen because I don't know your shit.
Let's see how it goes.
Hands everywhere. What is it?
I don't think so.
You know, this reminds me of Sonic Riders. It reminds me of one scene of Sonic Riders Zero Gravity. The Battle 1 story mode. Oh yeah, Battle 1 something.
Battle 1 something. Oh yeah, the Battle 1 Garden.
I know Jack could work on the garden. Yeah, Jack could work on the garden if that's okay.
Yeah, that is okay with him. I swear, FireXC, you didn't speak at all. I just staring at. I just being quiet. Oh, be quietly. Okay.
Yeah, surprising you didn't see anything. Yeah, you didn't say anything.
Looks like I found a person for the right job. Drake. I will murder you after this.
Hey, listen, Hitoshi, you are a piece of shit. See what I told you? This is Little Mermaid-ish. Jeez.
You'll figure it out, SpongeBob. You'll figure it out.
Of course I can figure this out. You son of a bitches. Bitchy. Stop talking. You're the one who talk. You're the one who talk. Fine. How are we doing? That was weird. There's no like previews or something, which is dumb. It's even worse than the what was that two features that we did?
2 features? What do you mean by 2 features? Hold on a second. I don't know what you're performing, but let's see. What are you performing to? Wait a minute. Don't you mean the my favorite Marvin and Osmosis Jones thingy?
That's the one! Yeah, that's the one. It has no like fucking previews, which is dumb.
I know it's dumb. Jeez.
Whoa, it deserves it. Hitoshi? Shut up. You shut up. Anyway, I think I'm done here. I think I'm done here. I think I'm done here. Yeah, me too. I'm done here.
That was fucking. That was something. Fire EXE and Hitoshi left at the same time. What a first. What a weird compliment.
Anyway, that wraps up for this movie that we never heard.
Yes. Yeah, again. It's been a while. So yeah. That wraps up. For film. Okay, I get it right. FernGully, the last Rainforest from 2005, aka PG's birthday month, birthday year.
It's been one since he was born.
I don't know. Yeah, we're from Peru, and that's what.
Yep. We live from Peru and don't worry about it. Wow, that's a first. That's a first. We have like a few minutes. That's a first. We are doing this video at like midnight or something. Which is crisis.
A nice crisis. Anyway.
So if you enjoyed this video, so like, comment, share your favorite video, as always.
And don't forget to hit the bell and join the Star Cross game. And could you stop the music, please? We have a special surprise for all of you. So y'all remember the Team Star Cross memes, the popular ones, which is memories. I love those days.
Yeah, me too. Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5.
Everybody could agree. It's like Team Star Cross and Eva Polka Gang working together or something.
Yeah, it's like working together.
Yeah, it's like working together. As, I don't know, homies or friends? I don't pay attention.
Yeah, me neither.
We're not gonna show you how many memes that we did. We're not gonna show you. It will be announced this week. Ugh. It depends.
Wow, bless you, SpongeBob.
Thank you. Ugh. Jeez. Ugh. Again. I'm not gonna show you. Well, we'll show you tomorrow. And a very important message. And the important message. Don't forget to subscribe to our main channel, which is down the description below. And subscribe to our second channel, which is, again, down here, as always. Oh,
doing this one for like a few minutes ago. That was something.
Yeah, that is something.
Anyway, I think I have to go, guys. So see ya.
Okay. I guess Hitoshi and Blake
I'm going to the own dimension because it's over. Well, the video's over.
Yeah, the video's over.
Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy. See you over at Google. Well, hello, Bison Squad. Bison Squad.
And you will power in your face.
It's a lot. It's a lot, people. It's a lot, guys.
Goodbye.
And don't get too offended. I know we have, yeah, we stopped the music, so that's why we're telling the fact. And don't get too offended on the meaning of the word flesh.
Yeah, Crush.
Vegeta, fuck you up.